Hey everyone, it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. Today's video is a good one because I am doing a PR unboxing of definitely one of my most favorite PR boxes I've ever received. I received a box of goodies from an incredibly large company and a company with really great products. I'm sure you've heard of them, JVN Hair. They make amazing hair products. They are sold at Sephora, and they sent me this package a while ago, and I featured it on Instagram and everything, but as you guys know, I'm just now getting back into YouTube, and so I wanted to film a video dedicated to this PR unboxing because I just wanted to share the goodies that they sent because I honestly couldn't believe it. The corporate team at JVN Hair actually saw my article in People magazine and were really inspired by it and wanted to send me some products to try. It was crazy because at the time, before they were going to send me some of their products, I was just about to purchase like their most iconic product. It's the hair dry cream, and it's like my holy grail now. I can't go without it. Literally a week later, I got a DM from somebody on the corporate team at JVN Hair. I don't know if she wants me to say her name, but she knows who she is, and she's like, hey, I want to send you some products, and I've just been obsessed with everything since, and I haven't really made like any official announcement on YouTube yet, but I've been like switching my life to like non-toxic, low-toxic products, and quality hair care is one of the products that have been the most difficult to swap out. Difficult to find low-toxic hair products. JVN Hair is pretty much all that I use now. I have loved what they sent me, and I've been obsessed. Wanted to share it with you. I'll have everything linked down below. If you want to try any of these products with me, you'll definitely be seeing these products again in the upcoming favorites video that I have. Be on the lookout for that. So thank you so much to JVN Hair for sending me this box of goodies and just your kindness and your generosity. I'm just so grateful. It would be so cool one day to be in one of their ad campaigns or something. To see someone like me in a mainstream hair campaign would be really cool. So who knows, maybe someday, but for now, so grateful for this PR package. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what they sent me. Along with the products, they also sent me some merch type products. So the first one is this crossbody bag, and then on the strap it says come as you are, and it actually fits perfectly on my wheelchair, on the back of my wheelchair, so I've really been loving it, and it's super spacious. I love this. I didn't think I would use it that much, but this is a comb, obviously, and first of all, it's gorgeous, and second of all, I love that it has the hook on the bottom here. Really convenient, and I just love how big it is, and it's just like really good quality. I feel like a lot of combs are just cheap. They're not great quality, but this one is solid and will literally last you until the end of time, so I have really been enjoying this. Mostly use a hairbrush, but a comb is really nice sometimes, so I've really been enjoying trying to use a comb more, and this one, like I said, quality is unmatched. Like, it is so good. This next product is, I haven't really used a ton yet. I need to start using it more, but it's the Instant Recovery Serum. The JVN Complete line is like my favorite line that they have. Like, the products are just so good. You can use this for damaged hair. It helps with heat protection. For the next few products that I'm going to show you are, like, have literally changed my hair health in the best way. Like, appearance, health, like, it's crazy. So the Complete line is really good, and I haven't used hair serums a lot, so this has been really great for me to dive into, and so creamy and hydrating. It just feels so good in your hair. Okay, I was going to save these products for last because they're my favorite, but I can't because I'm just obsessed, and it's like their #1 product for a reason, and I just can't get enough of it. So I hope they never quit making this or change the formula in any way. This is a JVN Complete Air Dry Cream. If you've heard of JVN Hair, I'm sure you've heard of their product. Like I said, this is like their #1 selling product. It sells out quite frequently. It is just so good. Like I said, I used to have really frizzy hair. I've tried like frizz products and stuff, but I also didn't like to use a lot of, like, I would just have frizzy hair instead, or like straighten my hair all the time because I don't like to use like all those chemicals in my hair, but the product uses all clean ingredients. An amazing smell, but it's not too strong because I don't do well with really strong scents. This helps my hair grow. Like, my hair is already really healthy and grows like a weed, and I swear this makes it grow like a weed even more. This is quite literally the best hair product I've ever used, and I am not just saying that because they sent this to me. If you know me, you know that, like, I'll tell you how it is or if I like something or not. And, like, this, gonna be sick of hearing me talk about it on YouTube, and you're probably already sick of me talking about it on Instagram, but this is the best. Now, this product you do is on wet hair. I use it as soon as I get out of the shower. I don't have very long hair. I do need to get a haircut, though, because it's getting long for me. A little bit goes a long way. My point is, you just kind of have to play with how much you use, but this product will last you forever. So it's so good. Can't say enough about it. Move on to the next product now. But have no fear, because they did send me also the travel size of the complete air dry cream, and I used this first before I started using the full size because I wasn't sure, obviously, if I was going to like it, and so if I didn't like it, then I could give the full size away to someone else. This was perfect that they sent this, and it made me fall in love. So obviously, I've been using the full size because I'm almost out of the travel size, so it goes without saying I will definitely be repurchasing, especially because I do travel a lot. I love to travel. Travel size product is just as good as a full size. Same formula. Great product. The next product that they sent me was like another merch type product. We have these hair clips, no crease hair clips. These are great for doing your makeup. I have a couple pairs, but they're not as good of quality as these, so I'm excited to use these instead of the other ones that I have. It comes with 2 black clips and 2 cream clips. Really great. Love, again, the quality. So good. They're really cute too, so I'm excited to start using these. Okay, now, of course, for a hair care brand, they sent me a shampoo and conditioner bundle. They suggested that this was the best one. For me, this is their Embody Volumizing Shampoo. I love these. They're not too strong. They were definitely right. This is a good choice for me. It's light. It's like a very light fragrance. I'm terrible at describing scents, so I'm not even going to try, but I've really been loving this, and I will say my hair does not need more volume. If you see me when I first get up in the morning, you would know that my hair does not need more volume, but I don't think it makes my hair like too out of hand, especially because I use the air dry cream, and it helps, like, obviously tame it. I do think I like the conditioner a little bit more than the shampoo. Don't ask me why. I don't know if, like, I mean, I know it's somewhat of a different formula because it's a different product. But if you had to get one, I would definitely say the conditioner is my favorite, but the shampoo is definitely good too. So, great combination. I would definitely recommend using these in tandem together if you can for the best results. But if you can only get one, the conditioner would be my favorite, and then at some point you could try the shampoo as well. But great combination. Next thing they sent me were some scrunchies. Super fun. We have a neon magenta pink one and then a cream one. I love how stretchy and soft they are. I feel like some scrunchies are kind of scratchy, to be honest. These are like satin. I think they're satin. So really great, again, for frizz and things like that. So these are super fun. And then last, but certainly not least, this is a very new product to me. This is a satin pillowcase, and I'll be honest, I've never used one. I know it's good for, like, frizzy hair and, like, preventing hair breakage. I haven't put this on my pillow yet. I need to. Just haven't. I do wish that it came in, like, a darker color just to keep it, like, a little bit cleaner, I guess. I don't know, just so you can't, like, see stuff as much on it. Like, a really pretty gray color would be nice. But I definitely want to try this. I just haven't taken the time to do it yet. But this is also a really fun product for me to receive as well. So you can find this on their website as well. That is everything in this PR. That is everything in this PR unboxing from JVN here. This was, I mean, they know what they're doing because they have a new customer for life now. And I just, again, quality of their products, amazing. This is not a sponsored video. Obviously, they did send me these products to try, but I had, like, no social media requirement whatsoever. I just want to share these because I truly have been loving the product, and I love to share the products that I love with you guys. So I'll have all of the product linked down below if you're interested in trying any of these products, and we can twin together. Of course, if there's one JVN hair product that you want to try, air dry cream is the way to go. It is available in travel size, like I shared, if you don't want to commit to a large bottle of it, because it is pretty large. You can get the travel size product to try out and see what you think. So let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much to the JVN hair team, and hopefully I can work with you guys in some capacity in the future. But thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!